Been in one of these yet or not?
I haven't been in Golf GTI before, no.
No?
Nearly just
Straightway, we the mob, and the king of New York is looking for a queen.
You got the right one. Let these dirty bitches know, nigga. Queens, Brooklyn.
Pussy got that wet, got that drip, got that super soak. I hit that, she a Fifi, honey, Kiki. She eat my dick like it's free. I don't even know like why I did that. I don't even know like why I hit that. All I know is that I just can't wipe that. Talk to her nice so she won't fight back. Turn around, hit it for the back. Bet her down, then I make it clap. I don't really want no friend.
So, hey, it's really off-putting. So guys, welcome to the channel. As you can tell by the title, we're back at it again with a new video. This time we've got a review on this lovely Golf GTI. Shane, say hi.
Hi.
Hi man. So what have we got here?
We have a Mk5 GTI. Started off with a KO3 turbo standard, but obviously this is a KO4 conversion.
Yeah. So
stock made 200 brake, and this one's now at 355.5, mapped by Artec Performance.
Artec?
Yeah, and 351 foot-pound of torque DSG. Not long had a Quafe LSD fitted by Motorworks in Gloucester, along with Dark Side DSU oil cooler now, because obviously the gearbox got a little bit too hot on the last track day. Yeah. After 2 sessions, so we cooked that. Starter life is completely bog standard Golf.
Yeah, just bog standard?
Yeah, completely standard. And as you can see now, obviously a long list of changes.
So do you want to take us through those changes, like just visual mods? What have you done?
Visual mods, obviously wheels, brakes, front splitters. Obviously I put the Edition 31 on there. You got the Maxim Design front splitter. I've changed the headlights, the grille, because obviously normally they got the red strip. This one's got the chrome. Obviously the matte black badge. Carbon fibre wing mirror covers and the black side repeaters. Obviously I had the gold strips done. And then obviously at the back,
who was the gold strips done?
By Shades Wraps.
Shades Wraps.
So yeah. And then obviously the spoilers by BYC. Bit of a crazy mad idea.
Yeah. What made you go for like a big fat wang?
Well, I seen it on another Golf and really decided that I wanted to have it. So I kind of bit the bullet and went out and bought one. And then obviously you have different rear bumper as well with the bottom valance.
Yeah.
But the annoying bit is, to everyone who keeps asking, you cannot buy them anymore because the company has stopped making them.
You can't buy them?
No.
Why they stop making them?
There's just a company in Germany decided to stop making them, and that's it ever since. So
oh shit.
You can't get hold of them anymore.
So is everyone just trying to message you being like, can I have it, can I have it?
Yeah, I have had a number of people trying to buy it off me, and I'm like, nope, it's staying on the car, because obviously I've had the exhaust custom made to suit it by Angry Parrot Fabrications as well. So
I mean, it does suit. It sets off the car really nicely. It really does kind of bring it out, because you look at some like rear splitters, you think it doesn't look too nice, but that's really quite deep. It really is quite nice.
Yeah, it's mainly made for the R32s.
Yeah, that's
where you got the big open fin gap in the middle. It's more for the twin pipe, but obviously I just wanted to kind of go different.
Yeah.
But I am planning to get it colour coded, painted yet, but I just haven't
got round to it.
No, I just put the money elsewhere at the minute.
Yeah. There's like, especially this isn't your daily, is it?
No, I got work van, so
work
it's just
van.
Evening, a weekend, and evening toy really.
That's mad. Can we have a look at the engine?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ! You can feel the heat coming straight away.
So so obviously Revo induction, S3 injectors in it, S3 fuel rail sensor, RS4 fuel return valve, Autotech high pressure pump internals, obviously Artec full PCV delete, so obviously the blanking plate across there.
Yeah.
Obviously KO4 conversion, Ali S3 intercooler on it, so I'm kind of at the limit of the cooler at the minute. That's why I can't really push much more than about 360.
Yeah, what size litre is the engine? It's 2 litre?
2 litre turbo, TFSI. So, and then obviously the Audi R8 coil packs, Revo solid engine mounts.
Yeah, I was going to say.
Obviously one on the side, but the other one's underneath the battery, so you can't really see it.
Yeah.
And obviously ditched all the runner flaps in the manifold as well, because obviously a bit of something that's a bit prone for a couple of problems on these, so I just got rid of it early stages of buying the car, really. So
that's spot on. Can we hear a few revs?
yeah.
Yeah.
Try.
I'm a massive kid about this. Fucking hell, that's loud. It's definitely loud.
It's a bit loud, but she still makes it on track, so I'm all good.
Does she make it on track?
Yeah, the limit Coombs 100 decibels, and I think I made 90. It's either 96 or 97.
So literally just on the line.
Literally just on
the line.
Yeah, so obviously full decat, Miltech downpipe with 2 silencers and full fridge exhaust.
Yeah.
Been made on this, so the 2 silencers to keep the sound down. So obviously we can try and clear track, really. And then obviously inside wise, as you can see, there's no seats for passengers apart from on the front.
Yeah, you literally just have what, a stripped out cage?
No, it's not a cage. It's just a harness bar I've had welded in.
Yeah.
And then an Artec Performance rear strut brace. Try to stiffen it back up. And then Cobra Club Sport front bucket seats with 4-point 3-inch Sparco quick release seat belts as well.
Yeah. Is this 4-point?
Yeah. Yeah. But you can make it into a 5-point as well, because the connection's still there.
Boost gauges at the top over there?
Yeah, obviously a gauge holder that comes from Golf GTI. Obviously I wanted to find some form of holder, but it's kind of hard to find one. Obviously you got one option, normally they got a pod one that comes off of there, and so I kind of found that one and bought it straight away, and then had all the centre flopped by a friend of mine in Bristol. And obviously I did have matching gauges, but one of them decided to stop working, so I got rid of it. What do I go for next? That's the problem.
What do you go for next? What are you thinking?
Well, I was looking to go an Evo route or a Skyline next.
Skyline, yeah?
Yeah. R33, I think.
R33?
Yeah, or 32, depending what the budget is.
Yeah.
But then I get in it and then I'm like, no, I can't get rid of it yet.
Yeah.
I'll make it the second longest caravan.
What's your longest
Longest caravan is 2.5 years. All the other ones last about 6 months to a year maximum. That's it. I get bored too easy.
I honestly don't blame you, especially if you're putting that much work into it.
Yeah. Well, used car I have.
Yeah. Do you think you'll change the steering wheel at some point? Or are you going to keep that?
People say to me to change it, but obviously because of the paddles, it's not so simple just to change the steering wheel and put like a little OMP or something like that, because you've got to try and make a form of bracket for the paddles to fit.
Yeah.
So it's not so simple on these, but I have seen posts about people doing it, but I'm like, can I really be bothered to go through all the hassle?
Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
It still does the job.
I've noticed in the back there's a sub.
10-inch.
10-inch? Yeah.
10-inch, yeah.
That's what she said.
Somewhat in the background.
Size don't matter.
No, they don't. It's just.
I wouldn't have expected. I would have thought it would just been stripped out, just nothing. But I take it you still quite like your music.
Yeah, got to have a bit of bass to drown out the sound of the exhaust when you're on the motorway.
Can't be all that bad.
Droning. So,
can't be all that bad.
Ain't too bad. But I've got a bit of bass in the background. There's a bit boring otherwise. So.
Oh, it's for a minute.
Yeah. Needs it when you're out on track, chuck it around the corners.
It's just the back just dropped. Fuck me.
Try and behave.
Try and behave. You always say you're going to try, but it just never works, does it?
Never behave.
Jesus Christ. Smells of asshole.
It's diesel life. So I can't have standard brakes.
Yeah, just put in cook. How often do you go through brakes?
Not often. Disc and pads cost me like 500 quid. Just as a start.
So that's not.
Just a lorry.
You can just feel the car just try and take off and
Just jumps. What are you doing? Yep.
Cheers for the video, man.
No worries.
I'll see you around. We'll be back for that. So, literally, I've just finished filming with Shane in his amazing Golf. I should stop swearing. But that thing is something else, honestly. Obviously, we've literally just pulled up at Asda, and I was gonna obviously say goodbyes and all that, but his mates have turned up, so I'll leave him be. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please make sure you like, comment, subscribe. If you want to see more of Shane's car, if you want me to go on track with him, get my reactions with that, obviously drop a comment and a like, and I'll see what I can do with that. So yeah, until next time, yeah, subscribe in a bit.
Got that drip drip, got that super soak. I hit that she a Fifi, honey Kiki. She eat my dick like it's free. I don't even know like why I did that. I don't even know like why.